Solid Waste Management. Introduction to Landfill. Learning Outcomes. The students should be able to 1. Understand the planning and siting the landfill level based on the design principles and parameters. 2. Explain the landfilling process and operations. What do you understand about landfill? Brainstorm. What is landfill? Landfill, a site or place used for disposal of residual solid waste, also known as rubbish dump, garbage dump and tip. Sanitary landfill, well-engineered facility for the disposal of MSW design, operated and monitored to ensure compliance with federal regulations in order to minimize public health and environmental impacts. Secure landfill, landfill for the disposal of hazardous waste. Terms related to landfill. Cell, the space occupied by the waste material in a landfill during one operating period, usually 1 day. Lift, a complete layer of cells over active area of the landfill. They may cover native soil or alternative materials such as compost that are applied to the working surface to control the blowing of waste material. Prevent rats, flies from entering, exiting the landfill, to control the entry of water into the landfill during operation. Bench terrace, to maintain the slope stability of landfill, which is usually 50 to 75 feet high, for the placement of surface water drainage channels and location of landfill gas recovery piping. Leachate, liquid that is collected at the bottom of landfill and contains a variety of chemical constituents derived from the chemical and biochemical reaction occurring in the landfill. The aims of a landfill is to cover the waste, isolate it, and avoid contamination to our air and groundwater. Planning. Establish requirement for landfill site. Site must consider the sufficient landfill capacity for the selected design period and support any ancillary solid waste function. Leachate treatment, landfill gas management and special waste services, tires, bulky items and hazardous household waste. Facility recycle facility or place to composting green waste. Landfill capacity is estimated based on the disposal requirements for communities. What should be considered in finding an appropriate site? Siting. The landfill site to be developed should be environmentally and socially acceptable and sustainable. Therefore, early considerations include haul distance, location restriction, airport, floodplain, wetlands, seismic impact zone and unstable area, available land area, buffer zones, office and service buildings, access road, utility access and so on. Site access, road, rail lines. Climatologic conditions, local weather conditions, seasons, surface water hydrology, geologic and hydrogeologic conditions, local environmental conditions, residential and industrial area traffic, noise, odor, dust, airborne debris, visual impact, vector control, hazard to health and property values, ultimate use for completed landfill, recreational park. Impacts due to improper solid waste management, starts from greenhouse gases, risk to aviation, pollution, odor, vectors, rodent and safety issues. Why it bothers? Landfill is to be constructed close to their home. Undesirable condition, additional traffic, noise, odor and litter. The sitting of the landfill will reduce property values and decrease quality of life. Is it true?